Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be unboxing a package that came from Coloured Raine. This is their mystery box. It was available and I think still might be available for purchase on their website. The total cost of the box is $35 US and you're supposed to get $150 US worth of products in here. So if you're interested in finding out what I got in my mystery box, make sure you keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. I got an email from Coloured Raine not too long ago advertising their mystery boxes, and I've never seen these before, but I know how much I love Coloured Raine as a brand. I love their Queen of Hearts palette. I do have a couple of single eyeshadows that I've purchased as well. I also have the very cute little mini palette. Their eyeshadow formula, if you have not tried it out, is fantastic. Creamy, pigmented, very blendable, and it has a really good long-lasting stay power to it. So of course when they said mystery box, $150 value for $35, I was like, yes please. So I quickly placed my order and here we are. The box has arrived and I'm about to dig into it with you. I've cut it open. Ugh. Lots of bubble wrap and oh my goodness, that's what the inside looks like. So there's lots of products in here. I'm gonna start off with this, and this is eyelashes. Oh, fun. Let's see, what style did I get? These are in the style CR07. It doesn't look like they have another name, but ooh, they are very fluffy, wispy lashes. They're so pretty. I love lashes like these. They look so good and they pump up a nice eye look. So yes, we're already winning with eyelashes. So that is the first item in there. I am gonna pop prices down here so you guys can see the total value and what each item is worth. The next item that I have grabbed from the box is this. It is a single eyeshadow in the shade Brick. It's a brick color. I don't know how else to describe it. It's just brown. And as I was saying, I love the eyeshadow formula from Coloured Raine. So I'm just swatching that on the back of my hand. Beautiful. It is a very, very nice matte color. Item number 3 is this right here. This is the Focal Point Glow Lighters. Ooh. Luxurious Bling Pressed Highlighter. And this is in the shade, I guess, Luxurious Bling? Let's crack this open. I actually didn't know Coloured Raine made highlighters. Ooh, pretty packaging. Oh, that is so nice. It's a fair shade, which I am happy about. I do like highlighters, but I have so many of them. So I think I might actually put this one in a giveaway. So I don't want to swatch it, but it looks gorgeous. Next up, I've got 3 lipsticks. The first one is called Choco Lip. And, Choco Lip, I get it. That's clever. This is a satin formula. It's vegan, cruelty-free, and gluten-free. Oh, the packaging is beautiful. I love the white and gold. And that is a nice shade right there. It looks like a beautiful chocolate brown. Oh, I'm liking that. The next color I have is Empathy. This one is a nice peachy nude color. It's very pretty, but these colors tend not to look very good on me, so I might stick that one in a giveaway. And the last color I have is called Soul. Ooh, I got Soul. What do you look like? Ooh. Ooh, it looks like another sort of cool tone, mauve-y sort of brown color. That's pretty nice. That could be a really good neutral color. I like those 3 colors. I think they are beautiful, pretty wearable for the most part. I mean, I know those nude colors don't generally look good on me, but I appreciate that they kept it relatively neutral so that it could flatter a lot of different skin tones. I see 3 other lipsticks in here. I think these are all lipsticks. Yes. Okay, so this first one is a matte lip paint called Boss Babe. This packaging is pretty. I have a feeling this one's gonna be purple based on what I'm holding here. And yes, alas, it is a purple liquid lipstick. This is generally not a color that I would wear, but I think it's probably one of the more wearable purple colors. I feel like it's got like a pink base to it. So that's kind of cute. The next one is a matte lip paint in the shade Spiked Punch. Yeah. Ooh, that's not a color I would typically gravitate towards, so I might just put this one in a giveaway as well. And then there's this last one here. This is another matte lip paint in the shade Royal. And I'm gonna assume, based on the metallic blue packaging, oh my god, that it is a very, very bright blue lipstick. I mean, I can't even see myself wearing this at all. Maybe these can be used as an eyeliner. I don't know. I have to look at the ingredients a little more closely, but yeah, I don't know if I'll keep that one. It's just a very bold lip color. Oh my god! Look at this! They give you a little eyelash assister tweezer thingy-mabobber. This is really cute. I actually already have one of these from Lily Lashes and I never use it. I actually... Funny enough, I find these more difficult to use than just regular tweezers. I usually just use my Tweezerman ones if I'm putting on false lashes. So this one, not this one, this is mine. This one here, I think I am gonna put into a giveaway. But the gold color is just beautiful. How nice. How random too. And the last item in the box is this. It is an eyeshadow palette. Thank God, I love their eyeshadows. This is in the style Smoke Show. Style, or the palette name is called Smoke Show. And cute, nice neutral colors. And that is what the palette looks like. You've got some really nice neutral peachy tones up here, a couple of browns, a nice green to add a pop of color, and this beautiful sort of midnight blue, a metallic shade up here. So, wow. And that's it for the mystery box. That was everything that was contained in there. I'm going to step off camera for a moment to do a little bit of math, and I'll be right back to tell you what the value of the items that I got are versus what the promised value of the box would be. After doing a little bit of Goodwill hunting math, it turns out this whole box is worth $161.98, but that price does not include these tweezers, just because I couldn't find them anywhere on this site. So if this was supposed to be a total value of $150, I definitely got my money's worth at $161.98. Also, as of today, and I did double check with the website for this, the mystery boxes are still available. So if you want to get your hands on them, make sure you head on over to the Coloured Raine website and pick yours up today. If you've already picked up your mystery box, let me know in the comments down below what you ended up getting surprised with. I always love hearing about everybody else's unboxing experience and the products that they got. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Before you click out of it, you guys know the drill. Give it a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. You can also connect with me outside of YouTube if you so wish by following me on all of my social media channels, which I'll link for you in the description box below. Thank you again so much for watching. I hope you are all having a fantabulous day, no matter where you are in the world. Stay beautiful, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!